Have you ever been browsing a website and noticed these notifications telling you that someone just bought a product? Or maybe you've seen a countdown timer at the top of a website saying that a sale ends in 2 hours. These are sales notification pop-ups, and they're one of the most important tools for boosting sales on any website. They use a marketing strategy called FOMO marketing, which stands for fear of missing out. Basically, when other people see other customers buying products, signing up, or taking advantage of limited time offers, it builds trust and creates agency, making them more likely to take action themselves. Some studies suggest that adding FOMO tools to your website can increase your conversions by up to 40%. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add these kinds of notifications to your WordPress website completely free using the Notification X plugin. Let's get started. Before we begin, please like the video and subscribe to help me blow up the channel. Thank you. The first thing we need to do is log into WordPress and install the Notification X plugin. So under plugins, click on add new, search for Notification X, then install and activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you'll be taken to the quick setup wizard. My website is an e-commerce site and my main goal is to increase sales and build social proof. So I'm going to select these two here, then click on next. Notification X will use this information to recommend the most useful notification types for my type of website. But don't worry, you can always create any notification you want later. I'm going to keep this the same, then click on continue to finish the setup. Then I'll be taken to the dashboard. The first type of notification that we're going to set up is the notification bar. This is a banner that appears across the top of your website and it's perfect for announcing discounts, free shipping, product launches, maintenance notices, and pretty much anything you want your visitors to immediately see when they visit your website. To create one, simply click on add new here, then choose notification bar. There's several professional design templates to choose from here, so you can simply pick one that you like. Alternatively, you can use the AI to create one for you. For example, I can simply tell the AI that I'm running a weekend sale on my online store, and within a few seconds, it generates a professional announcement that I can immediately use. Of course, you can edit the text afterwards if you want, but this is nice. Once you're done filling out the content of your notification, you can scroll down and check evergreen countdown timer here. Then turn on permanently close here. And finally, scroll up here and give our notification a name, then publish it. Then go to your website and click on refresh and you'll immediately see your notification. Now, your visitors will be able to immediately see this announcement as soon as they arrive on your website, which makes it harder for them to miss your next promotion. Next up are the sales notifications. And these are probably one of the most recognizable types of FOMO notifications. They appear as little pop-ups at the corner of your website here and they show recent purchases made by real customers. They are very effective at increasing conversions because they provide instant social proof. The setup is very straightforward. You simply click on add new here, then choose sales notification and then select your data source. I'll choose WooCommerce for this example and click on next. After that, I will pick a design to finish up the setup. Notification X is going to automatically pull the contents of the sales notification directly from your store, including the customer's name, profile, product purchased, and purchase time. Once you're finished with it, click on publish and every new purchase will automatically appear as a notification on your website. After you set this up, it's going to keep running in the background of your website with no required maintenance, which is very good. Another useful notification type are the growth alerts. These are designed to highlight important activity happening on your website like new registrations, newsletter subscriptions, downloads, and other milestones. Instead of visitors feeling like they're the first person to use your website, they can immediately see that other people are actively engaging with your website. This is another simple but effective way of building social proof. Another simple type of notification is the flashing tabs, and I think this feature is pretty clever. Imagine that a visitor opens your website, then switches to another browser tab before completing their purchase. Instead of letting them leave, Notification X can automatically change the browser title and even flash the icon to grab the user's attention. When the user notices this, there is a good chance that they will come back, continue browsing, and hopefully complete their purchase instead of forgetting about your website altogether. It's a small feature, but sometimes it's the little things that help you improve conversions. Another feature that's worth looking at is the exit intent pop-ups. These will appear on the website when Notification X detects that a viewer is about to leave your website. Rather than losing a visitor completely, you get one last opportunity to grab their attention by using one last pop-up. With this pop-up, you can offer a discount, promote a special product, or encourage them to subscribe to your newsletter. Setting this one up works exactly like the other notification types. You simply choose a template, customize it, and publish it, and you are done. Additionally, you also get practical website tools like cookie notices and announcement bars. This might not directly lead to conversions like the sales notifications do, but they are very useful for communicating important information to your visitors. And again, the setup is very similar to everything else we've already covered. Just pick a design, customize the text, and publish it. Notification X offers a lot of notification types, but if you want to see all of them and how to set them up, you can look at the demo page here. Besides what we've already covered, you will also find notification announcements, floating notifications, countdown campaigns, promotional banners, and several other notification styles that can be customized to match your website. The free version of Notification X includes pretty much every useful feature you could want, while the Pro version unlocks even more advanced notification types, AI tools, detailed analytics, and additional customization options. If you do decide to get this plugin, I left an affiliate link in the video description, so use that to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.